These are the exact 5 steps that not only changed my finances, but gave me back my time, my confidence, and my peace of mind. If you've ever felt stuck, underpaid, or ready for more, this video could be your wake-up call. In this video, I'm going to show you how I went from confusion to clarity and from zero experience to real consistent income online. Stick with me to the very end because I'm going to share with you the biggest mistake that most beginners make and how you can avoid it starting today. Hello, I'm Dr. Shelley Nash, mindset, confidence, and style coach, retired chiropractor, and cat mom of 2. I've been where you're at, wanting more time and income without the overwhelm. I've had a lifetime of chasing dreams, collecting degrees, and building businesses. Some of them brought me success, and some of them left me struggling financially. But I never regretted following my own path. When I reached the point where I needed to bring in extra income, not just to survive, but to build my retirement, digital marketing just landed in my lap. I didn't know what digital marketing was. I didn't understand it. I didn't realize the impact it could have, but it was life-changing for me and for others. Now I help women build digital success and the confidence to make it happen. Ready to learn more right now? Then grab my free Freedom Formula Blueprint below. It's the exact guide I followed, and it breaks it down step by step. Step 1, you need a product that is in high demand. Let's start with this first key because without it, nothing matters. You need a product, program, or service that is in high demand. That means people want it. Something people already want and are actually searching for, not something you have to convince them to buy. That's what changed everything for me. Once I stopped trying to invent something new and started sharing a proven digital system that people already needed, things shifted fast. Whether it's a digital program, a done-for-you product, or a master resale product, your goal is to position yourself in front of what's already working. You don't have to be an expert. You just need to connect people to the right solution. That's when sales stops feeling salesy and starts feeling like a service. But the real magic happens when you combine this with step 2. Are things making sense, but you want to see how it all fits together? Then grab my free Freedom Formula Blueprint below. It's the exact guide I followed when I started, and it breaks it down for you step by step. The second step is an automated system. Imagine your business is still working even while you sleep. Automation is what turns your online business from a side hustle to a scalable income stream. With a simple automated system, your website, emails, and sales process are working while you're out doing other things and living your life. This system does all the heavy lifting so you don't have to. When I first set mine up, I made sales overnight. Literally woke up to a $900 notification in my account. That was the moment I realized that this could be true freedom. If you can copy and paste, you can set this up. And once it's running, you're going to stop trading your time for money. But automation alone isn't enough, not unless people are seeing what you're actually offering. That's where step 3 comes in. Want to see how it all connects? I've got you covered. Download my free Freedom Formula Blueprint below. It's the exact step-by-step plan I use to go from zero to earning online. Step 3 is attraction marketing. What if customers actually came to you rather than you chasing customers? Attraction marketing is all about you showing up authentically and creating content that pulls people in. When you share your story, your lessons, your passion, people want to connect with you. You become the magnet for your ideal clients. And here's the secret. When you look good and you feel confident on camera, your message lands even stronger. This is why I created my free top 10 style hacks that instantly elevate your on-camera presence. It's the same guide I use to feel confident speaking on camera, attract amazing clients, and show up as myself. You don't need to be perfect, you just need to be present. Your people are waiting to hear your story. Grab your free guide below and share with me in the comments what's one thing that's stopping you from showing up on camera. Now, once you've got people coming to you, there's one question that people ask. How do I stay consistent without burnout? Step 4 is about the 2-hour daily blueprint. You don't need to work 8 hours a day to build an online successful business. You just need 2 focused hours. That's the secret I wish someone would have told me sooner. In the beginning, I tried to do everything from posting to editing to learning to stressing until I realized that success doesn't come from doing more. It comes from doing what matters consistently. Those 2 hours are where I connect, create, and grow. Then I close the laptop and I live my life. This approach gives you balance because what's the point of freedom if you're too exhausted to enjoy it? And finally, there's one more thing that ties it all together, and it's the reason most people quit too early. Need a clear picture of how these pieces all fit together? Grab the free Freedom Formula Blueprint. It's the same guide I used when I got started, and it's totally free. Download it below. The 5th step is having a community and the right mentor. You can't grow in isolation, and you really shouldn't have to. One of the smartest moves I made was joining a community of like-minded entrepreneurs that were interested in growing an online business. People that were learning and sharing and celebrating other people's wins. That's why I created my Digital Success Club. It's where you'll find all the training for digital success, whether it's from mindset to style to confidence on camera to extra trainings to guest speakers. You'll find it all there. We even have AI tools and so much more. When you plug into a mentor and mentorship, you not only learn the steps, you borrow someone else's belief until you have the confidence in yourself. Ready to learn more and see how it all fits together? Then grab my free Freedom Formula Blueprint below. It's the exact guide I followed when I started, and it breaks it down for you step by step. So if you're ready to create freedom, flexibility, and financial confidence, this is your moment. Start with a product in high demand, set up an automated system, use attraction marketing to draw in your ideal clients, stick to a 2-hour blueprint, and surround yourself with the right community. You don't need experience, you just need to start. Grab your free Freedom Formula Blueprint below. Let's build your 6-figure success story together. Now that you know the 5 steps to 6-figure success, even if you're starting from zero, you might want to learn how I made $8,350 in just 1 month using the same done-for-you system. It all starts by watching this next video, because when you pair what you just learned with what's coming next, it's going to be way more powerful. See you on the next video.